we have seen how to render the list, okay, using the map function. Okay, so we have seen how this map function works. Okay, so similar to this map function, we have the one very important function which is very useful for our programming. Okay, so as a React programmer, we should be aware of that function, or not a function, operator. Okay, so what is that operator? That is nothing but the three dots operator, that called as a spread syntax. Okay, or spread operator in JavaScript. Okay, so it is used to expand the iterable like an array or a string into the individual element. It allows you to conveniently copy, combine the arrays, merge object, and pass multiple arguments to the function. It is very useful. Okay, so to show you directly how this works practically, okay, let's open any JS compiler. Okay, for that, like, just I go to online JS compiler, whatever the compiler you are familiar with. So most of the time I use this JS pedal. Okay, so I will go with this JS pedal. Okay, so I will show you what is this one, the spread array, spread operator. Okay, how this spread syntax or spread operator is used to copy the array. Okay, so first try with the copy the array. So to show the copy of functionality, let me create one constant array. Let me give the name as a original array. This is the one constant I have taken. Okay, let's say it has the element like 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so these are the three elements in the original array. Now let's take another array. Okay, which will have the same original array. Means I want to copy this original array into the new array. So what I will do, I will create another array. Let's say I will give the name as a copied array. This is the name only. Okay, is equal to, what we have to do, we have to copy this original array into copied array. So how to use that spread array syntax, spread syntax. Okay, so array, okay, inside that three dots, this is nothing but the spread operator. Three dots, then whatever the array you want to copy, that is the original array. So copy that name as a original array, and then that's it. Okay, means what you have done, I want to copy this original array into copy array. So what I did, simply three dots and then name of this array. Okay, now let me try to print that one. Okay, console.log, and let me give the name as a copied array. Okay, now run it. Here you can find, okay, so this is the 1 1 2 3, nothing but the copied array. Okay, here you can find in the console 1 2 3. Okay, so this is nothing but our copied array. We have copied the element of the original array into this copied array. Okay, if you want to print some text here before that one, let's say like new array plus symbol, control S. Here you can see new array 1 2 3. Okay, so this is how we use this spread operator to copy the one array to another element. Okay, so this is how we use for this copying. Now the second one is like, if I want to concatenate two array. Okay, so let's say I have the two array and I want to merge into the single array. So how to make it as that concatenation operator? So let me create this one, like let's say I have this two array. I will change this one now. Okay, let's say copied array, or instead of this one I will make it as a second array. I will give the name as a second array, and I will give the 4 5 6. Okay, so this is our second array. Now I want to merge this both array into the single array. Okay, so what I will do, I will create constant combined array. I have created the new variable combined array. Now I want to copy both, right? So how? 3 dots spread operator, then this original array name, okay, original array, comma, okay, then again 3 dots second array, second. I think I have done some mistake of the spelling. Second array. All right, now let me add console.log combined array, and let's print that one. Alright, here you can see combined array is 1 2 3 4 5 6, means we have the original array which has the 1 2 3, then second array 5 4 5 6 we have combined using this spread operator, okay, and then we combined into this combined array. If we don't use this spread operator, then again what we have to do, we have to iterate both the arrays one by one, then add this each element to the this newly created array, okay. So in this way, like a traditional way we can do this, will reduce our line of code, okay. So this is the second useful example of the spread array or spread operator. Now let's say I have the object. This is the like simple primitive data types. Now let's say I have the object, okay, which has the some fields, like let's say I have given the object 1. Let me create quickly first here, okay. Let's say I have the constant, and let me give the name as object 1, okay, and object we declare in the like a curly bracket, the name. Let's say we have some fields, okay. So what is the field, like let's say name, okay. Consider this is as a student object, okay. I will give the name as a student, okay, student 1. This is the student 1 which has the name, okay. I will give the name as a like let's say ABC, okay. Then second one is let's say we have the age, okay, and let's say I have given the age as a 21, okay. This is the one object I have, student 1, which has the two fields, name and age. Now let's say another object I have constant, and let's say I have this contact detail, okay, contact, okay. Now let's say this contact has a field as a phone number, okay, which has the value as a like let's say 1 2 3 4 for example, and second one is like it's has the mobile number, again let's say is like a 4 5 6 7 8, this is the mobile number, okay. Now I have this one, two objects, okay. Now what I want to combine these two objects into the single object, okay. Like whatever the student has this attribute name age, I want this contact to the student object. So what I can use, now I can use the spread operator. So let's say I have given the name as a constant, and let me give the name as a merge object, okay, is equal to, what I will do, object, whatever the first object we have already 3 dot, then I will give the name as a student 1, comma, so whatever the object I have second, I want to add it, right. So the object is contact, alright. Then after that let me print this console.log merge object. Alright, so here you can find age 21, mobile number 5678, name ABC, phone number 1234. So all these 4 attributes are combined into the single object, okay. So in this way also this spread operator, it plays a very important role, otherwise we have to iterate through each or attribute, then combine this one or concatenate. So to avoid that boilerplate kind of thing, so we can use directly our spread operator and it will reduce our code. Now let's say another useful thing of this spread operator. Let's say I have this mobile, okay, and let's say I have the value as a 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is the mobile I have. Okay, now again let's say I have the another one contact. Okay, now I want, okay, to copy this all the properties of this one. Okay, this one, okay, all the copies of this one. Okay, and after that I want, instead of this mobile, I want this mobile number. Okay, to replace, I want to copy everything from this student object as it is. Okay, I want the student 2. I want to create a new constant. Let's say I want to create a student 2. Okay, now for the student 2, okay, I want the all properties of student 1. Okay, but the mobile number should be updated. Okay, just only thing, mobile number I want to update it. Okay, I don't want this mobile number. Okay, so in this case how we can do? Okay, so simply I will copy spread operator. Okay, then student 1, student 1, okay, comma, now I want to update the only mobile attribute. Okay, so what I can do, I can directly write mobile whatever. Let's say I will give as a 8976. Okay, this is the updated one. I want to update this. Okay, now let me print this student 2. What I want, I have the student 1. I want to copy all these properties, but I want to update this mobile one. Mobile number should be different. Okay, so I want to just update the mobile number. So what I did, spread operator, and after that whatever the properties I want. Okay, so here you can find age 21, name ABC, but the mobile number is 8976, whatever we have given here. Okay, so in this way also we can add. Okay, so this is the very useful operator, spread operator, which is used for copying the array, combining the array, merge the object, or replace the any attribute of the object. So this is very useful. This please keep in mind. Okay, this we will use frequently in our React project. You are new to channel, okay, please do subscribe, like and share the video, and do not forget to click on the notification bell icon so that whenever the new upload or new tutorial series has started, you will get the notification. So please subscribe to the channel.